So if you're running a business in Australia and you're selling food items, and at some point in time you'll be thinking that whether you should be charging 10% GST on those food items or not. So if I'm standing right next to you, I'll look at you and I'll tell you, say less, because I'll be explaining whether or not you should be charging GST on those items. So first of all, I want you to understand a basic rule of thumb, which is that if you're selling something that is basic, unprocessed or minimally processed, that is uncooked, then it is GST free. And if you are selling something that is processed and packaged and cooked or semi-cooked, that is ready to eat, then it is GST chargeable, GST applicable. So in order to help you understand, I'm going to be showing you some examples. So for example, these are eggs, they are GST free. Oranges, GST free. Tomatoes, GST free. Bread, GST free. These are all GST free because eggs is raw and fresh, unprocessed. Oranges are raw and fresh, unprocessed. Tomatoes are raw and fresh, unprocessed. Same goes for the bread. If the bread is sugar free and it's for clear medical and nutritional purposes, then it is also GST free. But there are items that are not GST free, which include confectionery items, prepared food, and the examples are for those are, so this is chocolate, it is prepared, it is packaged, it is GST applicable. Baklava, this is GST chargeable. These bakery items, let me just eat one for you. This is GST applicable. Because it is ready to eat. It is confectionery item, bakery item. So these are GST chargeable. The food that are being prepared at restaurant, rotisserie chicken, takeaway meals, food ready for consumption, items like chocolates, chips, lollies, biscuits, ice cream, desserts, pastries. There are protein bars, granola bars. They are also GST chargeable. Pet food, if you have a pet and if you want to sell pet items or pet food, it is also GST chargeable. This is water, this is basic necessity. Okay, so this is GST exempt. But the moment this water does this, then it becomes GST chargeable because it becomes a carbonated drink. So that's the difference. So all in all, as I explained in the beginning, that raw items are not GST chargeable, they are GST free, and prepared items are GST chargeable, GST applicable. I hope you learned something today. Like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.